Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss another update from India Forums.
So Shweta always like me, like, you're doing great, you're doing perfect, you will be killing in this video, and she's supporting me as
the least
like
hype
yes,
girl around there. I was like,
Yes.
"Go Lucky!" Listening to the song was crazy because the vibe of the song and everything was great. And when I got to know that Lucky will be there with me in the song too,
I feel like my haters are like more a part of family because they check each and everything, and they make me like perfect guy. So thank you so much.
Alright, so hello Shweta and hello Lucky. Welcome to India Forums. How are you guys doing today?
Alhamdulillah, everything's going good. I'm good.
I am feeling great. Yeah, like I'm seeing Lucky after finally the shoot day, so I'm feeling great.
ओके तो सॉन्ग दोनों कैसे साथ आए, कैसे पॉसिबल हुआ? क्योंकि हमने तो ये एक्सपेक्ट नहीं किया था कि आप दोनों साथ में नजर आने वाले हैं. तो हाउ डिड इट हैपन? आप लोग ऑन बोर्ड कैसे आए?
Do you want to say something on it?
No, first you will go ahead because
No, I really want you to speak on this.
okay. First of all, actually, me and Shweta, we know each other. It's been like 3 years,
3
right?
years, yeah.
3 years, and we are always planning to do some videos together, like dance videos or something. And suddenly, by chance, we got offer for this music video. And when they told me like we are just going to do like dance, romance, and this stuff, and your character will be Shweta, I was like, are you serious, guys? Because she is like damn good in everything. And when we go on set and we started shooting and everything, alhamdulillah, everything was great. From my
How was
side.
your experience? How did you get on board?
I was at my home with my mother. I was in Chandigarh. I wasn't in Bombay, in fact. I got a call and they told me that there's a song Duriye sung by Nikita Gandhi and Varun Jain. I was like, firstly, this is my third song that I have done Nikita Gandhi ka. So I was quite excited because I've already worked with Nikita's voice earlier. So I got a call and I was like, can I just listen the song first? And the first reaction of me listening the song was crazy because the vibe of the song and everything was great. And when I got to know that Lucky will be there with me in the song too, I got excited because I remember, as he said, that we know each other since the last 3 years, and we guys were planning to do some like crazy dance feed, but as he said, like everything was destined for us, and we finally got a video. Not just a dancing video, but a music video together.
Yeah.
So we guys are extremely grateful.
Lucky, आप इतने टाइम के बाद नजर आ रहे हो. Where were you? Were you planning for this or were you busy in something else?
Actually, it's been 1.5 years for me. Like I have shifted in Dubai, so that's why I have been traveling India, Dubai, India, UAE. Like, so that's why I didn't get a lot of time to go and socialize with people. That's why might be you guys didn't see me. It's been 2 years, but yeah, finally I'm back to India and I'm on my way.
और जब आपने स्टार्ट की थी आपकी जर्नी, लाइक दिस वाज नॉट ऑब्वियसली द जर्नी जो आप अभी कर रहे हैं, बट इसके पहले जब आप काम करते थे तब आपको काफी ज्यादा ट्रोलिंग का सामना करना पड़ा था. तो आपने वो सब कैसे मैनेज किया?
Actually, if we talk about my work, how I started, like basically from my background. So I used to be a dancer only first, and then I turned into actor because I was doing a serial in Delhi, and I turned into influencer. So I shifted like lot of genres and platforms. So when I get famous from Musical.ly or TikTok, so people used to like me, and some people used to don't like me. So it's their opinion, I feel. And I feel like when you don't have like any haters or who will not judge you, so you cannot like change anything in your body or in your looks or in your work. So I feel like my haters are like more a part of family because they check each and everything, and they make me like perfect guy. So thank you so much.
Have you faced any trolling?
Me, I don't know like what is trolling.
I don't
for
think
me.
so.
I have
You
nice way, touch wood. But मुझे हमेशा से लोगों ने काफी सपोर्ट किया है, and I feel like जब भी आप जिंदगी में आगे बढ़ते हो, there's not just your hard work, but also there are a lot of prayers behind that success in your life. So मुझे हमेशा से मुझे तारीफें ही मिली है, praises ही मिली है, and मैंने हमेशा उसको प्यार से खुली बाहों के साथ उन सबको लिया है. So आई एम वेरी हैप्पी कि मुझे ट्रोलिंग वगैरह चीज कभी जिंदगी में अब तक आई नहीं है मेरे, तो आई एम क्वाइट हैप्पी।
ऑलराइट, लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द सॉन्ग। हर गाना, हर मूवी, हर कुछ ना कुछ हमें मैसेज देकर जाता है। तो आपका जो सॉन्ग है डोरिए, पहली बात तो वो किस प्यार के बारे में, बिकॉज अब तो प्यार के अलग अलग डेफिनेशंस हो गए हैं। और ये गाना क्या मैसेज देता है?
सो गाने का नाम है डोरिए। सो मैंने जब मेरा डेफिनेशन डोरिए का ये है दैट देयर आर टू पीपल हु आर मैडली इन लव विद ईच अदर एंड दे आर एम्ब्रेसिंग ईच अदर्स फ्लॉज एंड दे जस्ट वांट टू बी टुगेदर, दे जस्ट वांट टू हैव फन together and yeah, they love each other's company. Like for me the definition of Dory is that
Same for me as well. Like they are just enjoying their moments every second, right?
yeah.
What we did.
This guy was insane while we guys were shooting. Like he was right now he's just like still being a nicer guy. But I remember
No, nice.
of course you are a nice guy, but हम लोग shoot कर रहे थे ना, he has a completely different version of Lucky altogether. So I really wish कि लोग वो भी देखें, जो कि आधा लोगों ने देख लिया है गाने में।
Yes.
He's very naughty when it comes to like a personality. He's very naughty. He's very funny as a person.
कोई ऐसा एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करना चाहेंगे जिसमें इनकी रियल पर्सनालिटी को हम जान सके?
Lucky की real personality. We haven't spent a lot of time together yet, but he's extremely down to earth as a person. That's what I have experienced and what I have observed till now about him. That he's very down to earth and he appreciates people around him. That is the best thing about him. No, हर इंसान को प्रेज करता है, या फिर कोई भी होगा ना कि दादा अगर आप पानी भी लाके दे रहे हो, क्या आप पानी लाके दिया दादा आपने वहां से?
Of course you do the same.
Everyone. That is the best thing about Lucky.
Yeah, she do the same, guys.
That's it.
No, of course I will go ahead. Just give me time. So yes, when we are shooting for Dory, every time, you know, I don't know, I feel when we are doing a first for rehearsal,
Yeah.
that time I'm little conscious and nervous. You saw me, right? And I was asking, like, I don't know, yaar, it's been long time, like 5 years, 4 years, I did like any practice dance ki मतलब बहुत time से. So Shweta always like me, like, you're doing great, you're doing perfect, you will like killing in this video, and she's supporting me as
The least
like
hype
yes,
girl around there. Like,
Yes.
go Lucky.
and even on set, as people know, of course, she's like good looking and at the same time down to earth and amazing person by her soul. Because कभी कभार आप जब shoot करते हैं, it's all about the energy, like how you feel
Yeah.
on the setup, and your co-actor and actress are like nice to you or no, because it always about the energy. And me and Shweta, I feel like we
had a great exchange of
Yes.
energies, I feel, on the set.
it
You
was
guys were vibing so much. Let me tell you guys, जो डोरिया का हमने जो गाना शूट किया है, हमने वो मुंबई की गर्मी, everyone knows that how hot it is. तो हमारे कुछ सीक्वेंसेस थे, हमारे डांस सीक्वेंस को छोड़ के कुछ सीक्वेंसेस ऐसे थे जहाँ पे हमें धूप में शूट करना था, and we guys were melting, not just us but the whole unit was melting. But that was a time where me and Lucky bonded so well. उस टाइम पे हमें पता चला that we can actually vibe, because हम लोग की पहले जब भी बात हुई थी through Instagram, we guys were like hi, hello, what's up, let's meet. वो लेकिन meet कभी हो नहीं पाता था हमारा, and finally we got a chance. So I think that this song was a great start for our friendship, I think.
yes, and
Yes.
it's going to
वेल गाने में तो काफी ज्यादा प्यार है, रोमांस है
Yeah.
एंड सारी चीज है, बट हम आपसे जानना चाहेंगे कि आपकी रियल लाइफ में who's the love?
Love life.
Is there someone special in your life?
ताकि आज बता दे सबको.
आपके बारे में
नहीं, आपके बारे में.
नहीं,
How
नहीं
many
यार,
girlfriends do you have?
यार मैं बहुत सीधा साधा लड़का हूँ, मैं अपने काम से प्यार करता हूँ. मम्मी ने
Disclaimer,
और
he's
क्या
lying.
बताया था मुझे बोलने के
Disclaimer,
लिए?
he's lying.
Diplomatic answers.
Exactly, disclaimer, he's lying, guys.
No, यार, of course, अगर आपकी जिंदगी में कोई होगा, जैसे कि अभी कोई कंफर्मेशन तो है नहीं मेरी जिंदगी में वैसे, बट अगर कंफर्मेशन हो जाता है माशाल्लाह इंशाल्लाह, सो देखिए मैं तभी प्राइवेट ही रखना चाहूँगा, क्योंकि वैसे ही मैं बहुत ज़्यादा सोशलाइज हो चुका हूँ और मैं अपने प्यार को प्यारी तक रखना चाहूँगा.
ये अपने डोरी
डोरी,
बांध
हाँ,
के
मैं
रखना
डोरी
चाहता
पे बहुत अच्छे से डोरी लगा के उस पे बांध के रखना चाहूँगा. मैं नहीं चाहूंगा कि नजर लगे मेरी डोरी को किसी और।
Oh my God! See, अभी आपको दिख रहा होगा that he's being comfortable now. He's getting out of his like main character vibes now.
What about you, Ishmael?
Me,
इन्होंने तो पूरा देश दीवाना कर रखा है। अब बताइए फिर।
nahin, talking about my love, the only love I have in my life is like everyone knows now, like it's my mother. And secondly, I love myself a lot. I think एक जो dialogue है कि मैं अपनी favorite हूँ, that literally goes on me because I love myself. I can watch myself every second, every moment, every day, every time. Like I love myself. मेरा बस चले तो मैं बेड से लेके खाने से लेके हर चीज में मिरर हो मेरे, ताकि so that I can just see myself like all the time. I'm just kidding. The love of my life is like working, the camera, the lights. I think this makes me feel so special because at the end of the day, the loved ones, their job is to make you feel special. So I think the camera, the lights, the people on the set makes me feel special. So I think I love working.
ये ज्यादा सेफली साइड आंसर था। अगर सच्ची बताऊं मेरा बहुत जेन्युइन अच्छा
I swear, guys, I'm someone like I'm very straightforward. If I love someone, I'll literally gonna take the name, but I don't have anyone. Guys, ढूंढो मेरे लिए कोई.
कोई नहीं। अभी वो एक मूवी आई थी ना, ढूंढे अपने ब्रदर की दुल्हन, मैं अपनी दोस्त के लिए।
I hope you find a good one.
यस इंशाल्लाह।
Okay, these days reality shows are quite trending, like Big Boss, Khatro Ke Khiladi. So, are you guys interested in doing any reality show?
Are you?
Or maybe you can try Jhalak Dikhla Ja.
Me, of course, I would love to, but inshallah, let's see. मेरा मानना ये है कि हर एक चीज का टाइम होता है। जैसे
Yeah.
कि अभी मेरी लाइफ में ये टाइम लिखा था यहाँ पे, और वैसे ही अगर लिखा होगा मेरी किस्मत में और मेरा हार्ड वर्क में कि मैं करते करते वहां तक पहुंच पाऊंगा, और अगर मुझे ऑफर आता है तो आई वुड लव टू डू।
And coming to me, see, I have done already a lot
So
of
many.
reality shows. I have done 5 reality shows. DID, Dance Diwane, Dance Pro, Jhalak Dikhla Ja. I feel I just want to explore myself into like more in a way where I want to go to Big Boss or maybe Khatro Ke Khiladi. Anything that comes to me, I'm so keen to do that. So
Yeah.
let's see where my destiny takes me. So let's see. I'm hoping कि कुछ अच्छा आएगा तो I'm definitely gonna do it.
All right, last question. What are your guys' upcoming projects? Is there anything lined up? या किसी चीज में आप process में?
I just want to tell people that I'm working on few projects and I'm very excited, but I cannot tell right now because I'm someone I love giving surprises to everyone. That koi dekhe and they were like, "ये कब हुआ? ये कैसे हुआ?" Because when I went to the pageant, so my journey from dancer to a pageant winning or title holder has been a like biggest surprise for everyone around me. They were like, "How? When? Why?" ये सब कैसे हुआ? So I really love to see those reactions from people. But I'm gonna tell you that whatever I'm gonna do, whatever I'm doing right now, you guys will be proud.
From my side, I would love to tell people like what I'm doing, but I cannot because backhand से मना किया गया है. So, inshallah, you will guys see me in a big project, which I'm already going through, like on the way. But yeah, just stay tuned. That's it.
All right, thank you so much, guys.
Thank you so
Thank you so
much.
much.